See, 100,000 times would be 500,000. 5 million, right?
20.
It'd be it'd be a lot of people watching. It'd be a lot of people. I don't know. I'm not really good at math. What is? Hey Siri, what is 5,000 times 1,000?
5,000 times 1,000 is 5 million.
Okay, 5 million. There you go.
Okay.
So I was kind of right.
Yeah.
Anyway, so if you see AOC, tell her that this show's horrible and terrible and should be boycotted because I don't know what because we're conservative and we support Donald Trump and we think capitalism is great. She hates all of those things. So that should definitely do the trick. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the AOC boycott to begin, if you're watching on Facebook, just share and comment. If you're on YouTube, smash that like button. If you're driving in your car, just crank it up really loud and roll the windows down so that everyone else around you can hear what's going on. And we'll hopefully spread the word that way. Speaking of spread the word, a couple of other things that have been happening right here in Florida. Did you hear about this woman who worked for the Department of Health and now has been attacking the governor, and she got her home raided, and she's basically comparing Ron DeSantis to Adolf Hitler, and she's comparing the state police officers or the State Bureau of Investigation to the Gestapo. She believes that she is being targeted by Ron DeSantis, and that's why armed officers are being sent to her home. We have some of the videos she took secretly of the officers serving a search warrant here in just a minute, which we'll play for. A fascinating story. That will tell you why she's under investigation and the claims that she's making about COVID-19 here in the state of Florida and what it means for Ron DeSantis. But we'll get to that in just a minute. Also, there's a Santa. There's a Santa. What is this world coming to? There was a mall Santa that made a little boy cry. This mall Santa was so liberal. He was so liberal that he made a little boy cry. Not because he was scary or not because, he was, I don't know, maybe he spent too much time on his lap. No, this kid asked for something for Christmas, and Santa told him no. And this kid started to bawl. We have the audio of that as well. We'll play it for you. We'll tell you what the kid wanted that Santa told him no way, Jose. And more of that here in just a minute. We got a bunch of your phone calls that we've got to get to. Information about Donald Trump taking his case to the Supreme Court. Guess who might be his attorney? Now that Giuliani's in the hospital and may not be able to argue this court in front of the or to argue this case in front of the Supreme Court. Guess which patriotic, Constitution-loving American is raising his hand and saying, "I'll do it. I'll do it if this case gets to the Supreme Court. I will argue on behalf of the President of the United States." We've got that story. We've got so much to get to. Like I said, there's some mail time. We have some open mic messages. It's the Mark Kaye Show. Quick break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Remember to subscribe to the Mark Kaye Show podcast on iTunes or Google Play. That way, you can listen to Mark whenever or wherever you want. This is the Mark Kaye Show on 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's News and Talk.
Now, the three big things you need to know, powered by Safe Touch Security.
President-elect Joe Biden is reportedly picking retired four-star Army General Lloyd J. Austin as his defense secretary. The Jacksonville Christmas tree lighting will be streamed online and on television this year. It is set to start at 6:15 this evening. Sunny skies expected today, but don't let that fool you. It will be chilly with temps only making it to the mid-50s. I'm Jeremy Ratliff.
WOKV just wrote a check in the WOKV Holiday Payroll Payout.
Hi, this is Lisa from Jacksonville, and I just won from WOKV.
Listen weekdays at 8 a.m., 10, noon, 2 and 5 p.m. for your chance to win. This is a nationwide contest. Message and data rates apply. Complete rules at WOKV.com. The WOKV Holiday Payroll Payout. Now through December 11th on 104.5 WOKV.
Hey, it's Mark Kaye from the Mark Kaye Show for OpenDoor.com. And if you've got a home, I want you to listen very carefully because OpenDoor.com has an amazing offer. If you want to know the real market value, like the real market value, like what the market will pay for your home, not the, oh my God, I think my home's amazing value. But if you want to know the real market value of your home in Jacksonville, OpenDoor.com is one of the fastest and easiest ways to find out. And that's why hundreds of thousands of people in cities all over the country have used OpenDoor.com to do just that. Plus, if you're interested in selling your home, but like low maintenance selling where you don't have to prep it and paint it and make sure it's clean all the time because people are going to be traipsing through it. No, if you want to sell your home to OpenDoor.com, they'll make you an all-cash fair market offer based on the value of your home here in Jacksonville. But they're not going to do any of it unless you tell them you're interested, and it's really easy to do. Go to OpenDoor.com/myoffer. That's OpenDoor.com/myoffer, spelled just like it sounds. Answer some questions and get